Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I've got another review for you, and guess what? It's my biggest fan. Today I bring you a 7-inch Pelonis, is that how you pronounce it? Pelonis? That's the make of it, fan. Pretty simple to put together, it doesn't take a lot even for an idiot like me, as you can see in that quick time lapse. So yeah, and of course it's oscillating, so it can go left to right and you can move it up and down a little bit like that, and it has 3 different speeds on it. Let's give it a test out then. We'll start on speed 1. And that's just in the standstill position. Things are flying out of it there. That's just the packaging, polystyrene that was already in it. So I'll just, not too bad, standard, you know. 2. Oh, getting a bit faster. Can we hear it? It's quite silent. Let's put it 3. Yeah, so it's definitely not loud, guys, but it's on the highest speed. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, like I said, standard fan really. You know what it's like in this hot heat here in the UK. Everyone needs a fan. Well, I say hot. It's the UK, but yeah, it might come in handy for one day somewhere along the line. But yeah, it'll do. You know, if you need a fan, great price. Just simple. We'll press this button down and off we go side to side. You know how it is. And yeah, as you can see, it stands this high. This high. Why it's that everyone's saying. You know, it's not the tallest fan in the world, but it, like I said, it's my only fan. Probably is actually. But yeah. So what else can I say about it, guys? It's easy to put together, it's quiet, it does the job, it'll keep you cool in the evenings, on your bedside, you know, or maybe you want to put it in the kitchen, living room, wherever you want, even in the bathroom if you can. No, don't. Electrics and water don't mix. But you know what I'm saying. It's, like I said, in the UK, you might get a day's use out of it, but you could be from somewhere else and get lots of use out of it. So anyway, I'll leave links and that in the description below. Go check it out, grab yourself a little bargain, and we'll see you in the next one.